Hey guys, I'm a Furby here. We're gonna have 7 packs this time. We're gonna be opening 7 of the Fates Collide booster packs. So let's pop them open and see what we can pull. Alright. We have, out of our first pack, okay, reverse holo is a Shauna. Sololis, I can't pronounce it. And then we have a Whimsicott. And our rare is a Bronzong. Just sounds weird. But I think this is a non-holo. Yes. Alright. Next pack. Okay, we have a reverse holo Superior and an Amistar, which I believe is non-holo. That is really cool looking. It's like an abandoned, like a old city, like growth up around it. It's like a walking, you know. That's really cool. I really like that a lot. All right, next pack. Alright, reverse holo is a Minccino. That's kind of a cool Diglett too. Alright, and a rare is Lucario, Steel type. Alright, it's not bad. Alright, and our next one is reverse holo. It's not a reverse holo. Yeah, it is. I see it now. A reverse holo is a Ultra Ball. Of course, you know, we got Weezing, Wigglytuff. I'm not gonna show all the cards off. I've seen enough videos. Oh, Alakazam EX. That's my second one. Awesome. All right, let's open the next one. Reverse holo is a Snubble. You can just see the holo right there. And our rare is another Alakazam EX. Awesome. What is this one? Ooh, nice. All right. It was just the Alakazam EX we opened before, wasn't it? Or did we open a Mega? I don't know. I'll go back and look later. Alright, our next pack is... So far, we're doing good. Reverse holo is a Scorched Earth. So far, that's 2 EXs out of 7. So let's see what we get this time. Alright, White Curum. I think I have this already, but the one I have is a holo. So, okay. Next. Reverse holo is a double colorless energy, and a new one is a Fairy Garden, and a Snorlax, non-holo. Oh, I guess that was it. It's like I opened 7 packs already, but I guess we did. Well, hope you guys enjoyed it. Till next time, this has been I'm a Furby, and I'll see you later.